Legends of Learning presents the Numbots game. This is a math game that makes learning about understanding place value fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, welcome to the Bots R Us factory. Here, you'll create your very own robot by using the base 10 system. With the help of Alex, a factory worker, you will learn about multiplication and division, the basics of the base 10 number system, and the place value chart. Use the mouse to click on the different buttons to help solve math place value puzzles to help collect the right pieces to build a robot. Multiply and divide by tens or hundreds to get to the right math numbers for the robot. Use the place value to connect wires to build the robot. Use your math skills to solve these math puzzles to move to the next task. Complete all the tasks to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.